Hello, welcome to this video on how to restore a backed up repository in Tricentis Tosca. Before we proceed, you can also learn how to back up a single and a multi-user project as well as a component folder. You can watch the video in the link provided in the description. When restoring a backed up repository, it is recommended that you restore it in a newly created repository. If you restore the file in an existing repository, Tosca will overwrite all the existing data. To begin with the restore process, open Tosca Commander and do not open any workspace. Click Project, and from the Info tab, click Restore. A Restore DB repository pop-up will appear, informing you that any backup done in the repository will affect the existing data. Please note, at this point, Tosca is unaware of the repository location, where you plan to restore the data. In the subsequent steps, you need to identify the new repository location to restore your data. Click OK to continue. From the window that appears, navigate to the file you want to restore and click Open. The Connection Parameters window will appear. Here, you need to define the new repository where you want to restore the backup. Select the file type from the drop-down menu and enter the connection string to connect your database. For an SQLite file type, enter the file path in your system to the repository. But for any other database file types like MS SQL Server, DB2, or Oracle, view the manual link mentioned in the description of the video for more information. If required in the schema field, enter the name of the tables that have the user-defined schema when you've prepared the database. However, this is an optional step. Once you've entered all the required details, click the Test Connection button, and you will see the message, Connection is valid, at the bottom of the pop-up. Click OK to proceed, and you have now successfully restored your backup. With this, you learned the process of restoring a backed up repository in Tricentis Tosca.